Oh my god, when you see Royale, you have to remove your mask. What? Oh my god, I'm gonna show you guys. I don't know why I get this. It's not even my birthday. Oh, you guys are so nice. Oh, you really shouldn't have. Really? For me? Oh, for me? Oh, thank you. Oh my gosh. I received a present. It's not even my birthday yet. Thank you, friend. Do you know what this is? This is Royale from Haiti. My favorite snack. It's been a while since I had that. No connais qui ça ça y est? Ça c'est Royale. Haiti, oui. Hey, my favorite snack. Jésus. God, it's been forever since I had a little piece of Royale. What happened? It's almost finished. Oh my god. It's so hard. I mean, it's good, but it's good. I'm not gonna say anything bad about it. Who's going to Haiti? Hmm? I mean, you wanna send me some Royale? Well, I don't really eat Royale from everybody. I have to know you. I'm Haitian. Especially if I have a dream about not taking Royale from everybody. This is so delicious. I love this thing. I used to eat it so much when I was a kid. Moi, la mè Royale an pil apil. Apil. Mwen te kon mè se trompe nan lep. Manje tan pou sereyal. Di mè pa kole akwa ba bon. Mwen te trompe nan do sikre rouge. Oh my god. You gotta keep it real. Even though I cook a lot of food, it's funny. Like what I like to eat myself. I like junk. I wouldn't say this one is a junk. I think it's a healthy snack. That's one bon snack here.
Basically cassava chips with peanut butter, but they put some cinnamon and sugar. It's really good.
Oh my god.
I think I have enough Royale now.
A few moments later.
Evelyn, do you want some more Royale?